everyone, this is Go-Karts and Motorcycles, etc. And we're over here at my dad's house, which they call me Go-Kart.
I'm 82 years old.
His name Motorcycle. Alright, we're here this morning to do a video and show y'all what we're fixing to do with our golf cart. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Here's that big bad 420cc with the I believe it's 780 torque converter. And here's the golf cart. Now this golf cart didn't look this way when we got it. We pulled it out of the woods and Daddy cleaned it all up, took it to a pressure wash. As you can see, it's gas powered. The engine's missing. It's got the forward reverse rear end. Cleaned it up real nice. Now the belt that come with this, as you can see, is going to be way too short. So I'm going to have to get a Go Power Sports and get them to get me a belt for it. But what we're going to do, we're going to set this in today and get all our measurements and stuff, because we may have to build a cradle to put the pan in and everything. But the whole idea is to take the ignition switch off of the engine and run it up to the dash, which we have a different dash that's going to go in it. But the brakes, all brakes work, gas pedal works.
Painted underneath.
It's been painted underneath.
That motor looks good in there.
Now this exhaust pipe's going to come over the axle and have a turn down and go out the back.